Hello, I'm here today with David Paxton, CEO of Vatukoula Gold Mines. David, welcome.
Good afternoon.
Now, Zhongrun is in the process of investing in Vatukoula. Could you just tell us a bit about who Zhongrun is and why and how you got that investment?
Well, Zhongrun is a Chinese company that has recently gone into the mining companies, investing in mining companies. They supported us early on. They have been supporting us for quite a while. They came and initially invested in the company about 2 years ago with an early investment, and they have supported us all the way. We had a critical situation in the mine where we knew we had to get some capital in to do some development. We looked far and wide for it, and eventually Zhongrun came and they said that they would invest in the company. So they've now put in some equity. They've done $40 million that we needed. They've put in half of that, $20 million as equity. They are now a 66% shareholder in the company. The following debt comes at the end of January this year. They're a company which is moving into development mining. They like producing assets, and they've looked at Vatukoula and been very happy with what they've seen, brought some technical advisors over and are happy to support us going forwards and would like to see this mine being built and going into production.
So how are you going to use those extra funds?
Well, the program was always development. We realized about 2 years ago that Vatukoula was very short of development. Development is putting all the tunnels in place to make sure that you've got areas to mine. And we were trying to do it ourselves, but we just could never really catch up. So we realized good 2 years ago that we'd need a lot of development, opening up new tunnels, opening up new areas. And we needed a certain, we estimated an amount of about $40 million to do that. And that was the program that we went for. And it'll be used mainly for underground development plus the drilling, just to make sure you're developing in the right place. So majority of that money goes into development. There are some other aspects which need to be done. We need a tailings dam to be rebuilt, some shaft refurbishment. We're going a little bit deeper. So work like that's going on, but we believe it can all be covered by the $40 million.
And with that investment, how secure do you feel Vatukoula's future is?
Once we can get into an established production levels of 100,000 ounces, which has been the historical rate of mining at Vatukoula, we think that we've got a really good potential mine. It's got lots of 4 million ounces in reserves and resources. It's got a long life. We need to get it into a position where it's profitable, making money on a regular basis. I think it's got a long future. Really, one of the biggest assets we have is the labour force on mine. Very competitive. They live there, they work on the mine, they like working there. And with that inexpensive labour force, we think this could be a mine which will generate lots of profits in the future. So we just need to get the development done to get ahead of the game, and that's what we're doing at the moment.
So looking ahead, what are your goals for 2014 and beyond? Well,
2014 is really going to be a redevelopment year. We are focusing now on the development. We've got the cash to do it. We are making sure we can get all these tunnels in place. If you know Vatukoula, the original mine was taken down to 18 level on a very high-grade section, the Phillip shaft. We've now developed down to 20 level, so we've opened up a nice big section. Shaft is being refurbished down to 20 level, and that'll be the backbone of production. But it will still take us a good 12 to 18 months to get into established production. So this 2014 is really a building year for us, doing a lot of that development. It'll be lower in production, but we're focusing on development. And thereafter, we see the mine on a sustainable level, which will last a long, long time.
So it's a busy year ahead.
Lots of work to be done on the mine, absolutely. Yes.
Well, good luck with that.
Yeah.
If you'd like any more information, please do visit the Edison website.